Good afternoon, what's up Pilipinas? So it's time for another unboxing, or can we call it unbagging or unpouching, because it's not inside a box, it's inside a pouch. Ano to? Shopee, from Shopee Express. Delivered ng... Sino deliver nito? Well, I don't know. And guess what's inside? I'll be opening it. Ayan, so nakapackage siya in, ano ba tawag dito sa package na to? Pouch na to. So naka-tape yung pouch. Open it. And if my hunch is right, this is the the LED floodlight. Grow light ba to? At parang iba yung ano. Light decay is less than in what? 10,000 hours, less than 5% rating. IP66 LED. LED floodlight. Parang iba yung in-order ko. Parang hindi ganito. Probably it's the same thing, so it's still the unboxing because it's inside a box. So actually ang in-order ko is grow light, LED grow light for my plants, kasi since nagpakabit na kami ng bubong o ng roof, wala nang sunshine, wala access sa araw ang aking mga alaga, so ito gagamitin natin. Pero tignan natin, parang tama ba yung pinadala sa akin? Iba. Okay. Kailangan ko pa ng adapter. Kasi, yung outlet o yung plug pala is yung, what do you call this? Dalawang round na, ano ba tawag dito? Plug. Then it has a switch. And here it is. The light. So supposed to be this light is for plants para ma-replicate niya or ma-emulate niya yung sunshine. So yung sun. So dapat may kasama ba itong ito. Meron siya kasamang yung pang wire para pwede natin siyang isabit like this. And then nakaganyan siya. So nakahang siya. And it will be simulating the sun. So mamaya pwede natin i-test. Kaya lang wala pa ba, di pa tapos yung bubong, so hindi pa natin pwede ikabit. Pero ite-testing natin. Kailangan ko lang maghanap ng adapter for this. So if you look at the LED light, meron na siyang built-in plug, kasi some are sold cheaper or more affordable but walang kasamang plug and wire, so you have to do the tinkering or installation of the wiring on your own. Pero in this case meron na. Tingnan natin kung ano yung tsura nito pag sinaksak. So eto, dapat this is supposed to be, kahit tabot nga ng gunting, I think it's outside sa lababo. Pinapako ko yung scissor para magupit natin. Ayun. Thank you.
No problem.
And alam ko yung anak ko mag-unboxing din eh. Kasi meron siyang bagong, kasi na bahala mag-announce kung ano yung i-unbox mo. Ayan. So meron siyang hook. Then meron siyang ito. Pwedeng pagsabitan na 4 na. So, kung sasabit ko siya, pwede ko siyang ikabit dito sa eto, dito sa corner. Oops. Baka dito na lang. Para dapat dito, para so, sa 4 corners, ilagay natin to. Ito yung 4 corners. Pwede rin pala dito. Meron siyang parang ganyan. Ayan. Pwede rin ganyan. Pero mas maganda dito ko nila ilagay. Sa 4 corners. Hirap na isuksok. But anyway, mamaya ko nilusuksok. Medyo matigas. That makes it means it's durable. Mas matigas siya. I'll try to plug this, kaya lang I still have to look for an adapter for this round plug. So this is a 50-watt LED lamp or floodlight that can replicate, dapat it should replicate the sun. Ayan. Pero parang iba yung packaging niya compared dun sa napili ko. But anyway, tingnan natin, baka it's the same thing, kakaiba lang sa box or sa description. Pero it's the same thing, it functions, it performs the same function as a grow light for plants. So, thank you very much. I'll be testing this later na, after this, kasi baka I'll still have to look for an adapter. So, thank you guys. Abangan ninyo pag ginamit ko na to. What's up, Pilipinas? This is your plantito, Ross Lalosara saying, what's up? See you on Friday. Friday yata is, New Year, di ba? So, next Friday. Bye-bye!